Hey guys, I'm Kaylee with To Do in Destin, and I'm here at the Destin Commons. Most people, when they hear Destin Commons, automatically think of shopping, but there is so much more than that to do here. So today, I'm gonna walk you through 7 things that you can do at the Destin Commons without shopping. Let's go. For our first stop, we are here at Another Broken Egg for brunch. They are known for their Bloody Marys and their lobster brie omelet, which is what we're gonna try today. Make sure you make this your first stop at Destin Commons to fuel your day. Next on our list, we are headed to Gulf Coast Burger Co. You may know them for their burgers, but today we're trying one of their Cat 5 milkshakes. You can find them next to the AMC Theater. Let's go check it out. How incredible does this look? They call this the Carnival. It's a strawberry base with ice cream. We've got a vanilla cupcake, a lollipop, some dum-dums, and some cherries, of course with whipped cream and sprinkles. Now the taste test. Let's try. Oh my gosh, that's so good. The best part is, the cup can be taken to go, so you don't have to finish it all in one setting. Make sure to put Gulf Coast Burger Co. on your list of things to do the next time you visit the Commons. Our next stop, AMC Theaters. Not only do they offer this amazing deal where you can rent out an entire theater privately just for you and your family, they also have mobile concession pickup and they do serve alcohol. This is a great stop while you're at the Destin Commons to kill a couple hours and enjoy a brand new movie. Here at the bar at El Jalisco for happy hour. You really can't beat this place. All day, every day, 2-for-1 margaritas, frozen, on the rocks. Not only that, but a variety of flavors too. Peach, strawberry, mango. Can't wait to try it. And beers are 2-for-1, so if margarita's not your thing, you can still come here and get a beer. Now this is what I call a happy hour. One fun fact you may not know is you can actually take your happy hour drinks to go while you walk around the Commons. So cheers to that. Next up is a bonus stop. The Destin Commons has 9 murals all over property. They make great Instagram photos. See if you can find them all. Next up on our list, we are here at Uncle Buck's Fishbowl. Not only are they an awesome bowling alley with an underwater theme, they also have an arcade, and it is so easy to spend an entire afternoon here. Grab some food, a big fishbowl drink, that's where they got the name, and plan to stay for a little while. Let's go check it out. Skee ball. It's probably my favorite. Next up on our list, we are here at World of Beer, a great happy hour spot They have happy hour Monday through Friday from 3 to 6 p.m. and every single day of the week, a reverse happy hour from 10 p.m. to close. You can get $3 and $4 draft beers, $5 craft cocktails, and $5 shareable foods. Next stop, we are here at Kilwins to grab a sweet treat like a caramel apple or some ice cream, or both. 90% of what you see in store is actually made here fresh for you. Let's go check it out. Not only do they have different flavors of caramel apples, you can actually get them cut so you don't have to eat it off the stick, and then you can take it with you to go. So there you have it. From movies to happy hour to milkshakes and more. There is so much to do at the Destin Commons without having to shop. Thanks for watching.